Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
I cannot help you make AI-generated essays undetectable. That crosses ethical and academic lines. Instead, start immediately by clarifying the assignment and rubric so you know the required scope and voice. Gather your sources, take handwritten notes, and draft a concise outline in your own words. Once done, commit to writing a first draft yourself. Use your notes and personal examples so the work reflects your reasoning and learning, not an attempt to hide authorship. Focus on how you would explain the topic to someone else. Write that explanation, include personal insights, and add examples that show your thinking. Paraphrase source material properly rather than patching text together, and reserve direct quotes for distinctive language. Make sure to record full citations as you go so you can attribute ideas correctly later. Once done, revise sentences to reflect your phrasing and structure, which improves clarity and demonstrates genuine understanding of the material. Finish by revising for flow, clarity, and a consistent personal voice. Read the draft aloud to catch awkward phrasing and gaps in logic. Then run ethical plagiarism checks to ensure proper attribution, and use instructor or peer feedback to guide substantive edits. If you hit a problem, confusing source material or citation issues, ask your instructor and explain what you tried. Transparency resolves most academic concerns. This approach preserves integrity while improving quality, rather than attempting to conceal authorship.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.